everybody, welcome back. This is Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name's Nyla, I'm here with Al, and today we are showing you a 1954 5-window Chevy pickup.
I gotta tell you, Nyla, this car here came out of Tennessee. That people are snowbirds. I can't believe they call themselves snowbirds from Tennessee. But look at that thing. It's got a brand new crated motor in it. It's been all redone with a 4-barrel carburetor on it. The suspension tires are only a year and a half old. Really nice interior, but it's a 5-window. So many times can you find a step-side pickup truck that's a 5-window? Really hard to do, and one that's all its own metal. I could take a magnet to that. If someone wants me to do it later, please feel free to call us. I'll put a magnet on every inch of that truck. The door locks work with the key. You got a GM tilt steering wheel with a smart switch for your windshield wipers and your cruise control. Radio works, Hertz shifter, reclining bucket seats. Just, you're looking for a car to put out in front of your business. Nyla, it even has the original GM motor division tag on it. Take a look at that.
I got a picture of that.
Isn't that pretty cool?
Yep.
So we'll take her for a quick spin around the block, shift her through the gears, and then show the bottom off because it's just as nice as the top.
Cool. Sounds good.
All right, I'm going to get in there and give her a start.
Alrighty.
Okay, Nyla, we have a 1954 5-window Chevy V8 4-barrel. Got a really cool air cleaner on it too. Great sounding stereo, power steering, power brakes, no creaks when you go down the dashboard. Drives and accelerates like a new car. It's quite amazing. A 3-speed Hertz transmission, automatic. Got a working speedometer, working tachometer, fuel gauge. The only thing that doesn't work is the clock. So we'll take her for a spin around the block, let her shift out her gears, and then we'll take it up and show them how it looks underneath.
Okay.
Isn't that smooth?
It is smooth.
8 years old, 69 years old.
That's
Wow.
pretty
That's
impressive.
Incredible. And solid brakes, Nyla. Solid power brakes. Nice easy gas pedal. Everything's just like a brand new car.
Right?
What a great truck to go tooling around in here. 1954 Chevy V8.
Absolutely beautiful. Come check it out, Skyway Classics. We're going to take it back to the shop, put it up on the lift, and take a look at the undercarriage.